Hey guys, so I've got this EasySMX Nintendo Switch controller here. So I'm going to show you kind of what's in the box and everything here, and then after I test it out, I'm going to give you my review here as well. But this is supposed to last for 8 full hours, 600 milliamp hour battery. It's rechargeable, it's got turbo, dual vibration in here. You can see there are different ones. This is like the Red Dragon one, but then there's some more basic ones as well. There's like a white and a black and stuff, so you can check out those other versions, but you can see the model number ESM9124. This is what it looks like. I do really like this. I am glad I went with this design. I didn't know if it was gonna be too much, but I like it. I like the colors on it. It's more of a matte kind of finish on here. You can see it's not very glossy. You know, the buttons are glossy, but this is all kind of a matte finish. So I think that is subtle enough that it works very well. You can kind of see what everything looks like on here. But yeah, pretty stylish remote. So yeah, the buttons feel great so far. Definitely has a premium feel to it. Definitely a lot better than the included, you know, Joy-Cons and stuff. You've got some extra buttons back here you can program. So M1 and 3, 2 and 4 over here. So it's nice, you can kind of hit those bumpers from the back as you're playing for certain games. Right up here is your Type-C port for charging. And then you've got your 4 top, you know, triggers up here as well. Again, those feel pretty nice. They're really tactile. I like these back ones a lot too. They're very springy. Yeah, really nice finish here. This is nice. It's not too smooth or anything. Like I said, it's a matte finish, so this has a grippy texture to it, which is definitely what you want. You have a little bit of texture, as you can see here too, going along kind of each of the pads here, so that's very nice. Gives you a good feel in the hand. So let's just see real quick then what else is in the box here. So there's your cable, USB to Type-C, so like I mentioned, for charging, and then you get your manual there as well. Hey guys, Tim here. So I've been using this EasySMX controller now for gaming with my Nintendo Switch for games like Zelda. I've been using it for Mario Kart, Mario Party, that kind of stuff. I'm very happy with it. It's definitely an upgrade over the Joy-Cons. It's cool because you can actually set up modes with these buttons on the back here. So it's all in the instruction manual on how you do that, but you can program in pretty much any of these other button presses, so you can actually combine button presses and set that to one of those buttons on the back there. You can also make those null so that nothing happens. The mode 2 actually takes into account the time frame between those presses and stuff. So if there's like certain, you know, time frame you're trying to do, you can actually do that as well. So it's really cool, guys. Looks great. The buttons light up at nighttime and stuff, or in a dark room, so you can kind of see those lit up nice and well. The easiest way I found to pair this was just pair in with that USB to Type-C cable here, pair that with the controller and the dock, and it'll find it. And that's the easiest way that, in my experience, to kind of get these paired. But yeah, really cool, looks great, and functionally it's definitely way better than those Joy-Cons, so check it out.